Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents. Hello friends, let's hear a moral story named, The Swollen Fox. A very hungry fox, seeing some bread and meat left by shepherds in the hollow of an oak, crept into the hole and made a hearty meal. When he finished, he was so full that he was not able to get out. He began to groan and lament his fate. For more information, visit our website. Another fox passing by heard his cries. He came up and inquired the cause of his complaining. On learning what had happened, he said to him,
"Ah, you will have to remain there, my friend, until you become like before. Only then will you come out of the hole."
After saying this, another fox gone away. Hungry fox was sad on his fate but unable to react. Moral of the story is, be contented in what you have, else you will face trouble.